Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Abbas and I'm here for my new video related to trigonometry. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios. Before starting the topic, kindly subscribe my channel and do like the video and write down your feedbacks in the comment box. So today's topic is trigonometric ratios. The things that you have to remember that we are discussing right-angled triangles. So the previous video was related to these two topics. One was the basics about right-angled triangles and the other one was Pythagoras theorem. So what was the purpose of Pythagoras theorem? It is just to find unknown sides in a right-angled triangle. But today's concept is a little bit different than the previous one, that is trigonometric ratios. What is the purpose? First of all, we have to discuss the purpose of this topic. So the purpose is to find unknown sides and as well as unknown angles. So we can do two things in trigonometric ratios: to find unknown sides, and the other process is to find unknown angles. As I have discussed, we are only discussing right-angled triangles, specifically for Pythagoras theorem and as well as trigonometric ratios. So what are the types? There are three types of trigonometric ratios. First one is named as sine, the other one is known as cosine, and the third one is named as tangent. What are the short forms? The short form of sine is SIN, as you have seen on the calculators as well. Cosine can be termed as COS, cos, and tangent can be represented as tan, TAN. Suppose that this is a triangle in which I say this is vertex A, this is vertex B, and this is vertex C. What type of triangle is this? This is right angle triangle. I'm making a right angle at point B. So now you can see this is a triangle ABC. So I'm just mentioning the sides. The side opposite to angle A means the vertex A will be named as small a, and the side opposite to vertex B will be named as small b, and the third side that is opposite to the vertex C will be named as small c. Okay, fine. So trigonometric ratios involve angles as well alongside with the sides of the triangle. Okay, so first of all, how to find sine ratio? These three ratios can be expressed as, you can say, the sides or the ratios of the sides. So sine, if I suppose this angle, this is angle C, because it is making at vertex C. So this means that this is angle C. So how to find the ratio of the sides of sine with respect to angle C? So I'm simply writing down sine and angle C. That is basically equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? This is a new term that is to be involved today. First, you know what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is a side that is opposite to the 90 degree, the right angle. This thing is known as hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is the side that is opposite to the given angle. If I say this is angle C and the side that is opposite to that given angle is small c, and that is to be termed as perpendicular. I can write on PERP. And what about the side, the third side that is adjacent? That is base. So these things are involved today. So Sine of angle C will be equals to P over H. What is P in this case? P is length C, that's small c. What about H? H will be small b. So we can simply say sine of angle C can be equals to C over B. What about the next ratio, cosine? Cos of angle C will be equals to base over hypotenuse. What is base? Base in this case is A, the side adjacent to angle, and the right angle is small a, and hypotenuse is the same. It is B. So A divided by B. What about the third ratio? Tangent of angle C will be equals to perpendicular over base. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular according to angle C is small c. And what is base? Base is small a. So how to remember these ratios? There is just one simple sentence from which you can remember these ratios. That is, some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. So this is a sentence. From this you can remember these trigonometric ratios in terms of sides. I hope so. Till now it's fine. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. So we have to discuss in this video that how we can find unknown sides and as well as unknown angles. Suppose that this is a question and basically we want to find unknown side through trigonometric ratio, any of the trigonometric ratio which we can apply easily. You can see in the question, this side x is unknown, x centimeters. We know this is 12 centimeters and angle is given. And this is a right angle triangle because there is a right angle. We have to find the value of x, that is a length. So we have to recognize, first of all, what is perpendicular, what is base, and what is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is a side that is opposite to the right angle. So this thing 12 centimeters is hypotenuse in this case. But what about the perpendicular? The side opposite to the given angle is basically perpendicular. So which ratio we can apply? We can simply apply which ratio? Some people have, means perpendicular and hypotenuse are given. So this means that we can apply sine of the given angle. Given angle is 35. So sine of 35 degrees will be equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So what's the value of perpendicular? That is x. We have to calculate and we know the hypotenuse, that is 12. So now simply cross multiply and then we will be having our answer quite easily. 12 sine of 35 degrees equals to x. So what will be the answer? We can see in the calculator. Do remember your calculators must be in degrees. There must be a small d written on the calculator. So I'm simply applying 12 sine. Sine means that it will definitely going to be multiplied. Okay, so no worries if you don't apply the multiplication sign if you forgot. So no issues in that. Your answers will be the same. Close the bracket and press equals to sign. You will be having your answer 6.88. So do remember you need to just write down till 2 decimal places. Okay. So the very next digit at the third decimal place is smaller than 5. So it must be 6.88 after rounding off. So we can say x equals to 6.88 and units must be in centimeters. So this is the way we can find any of the side, unknown side that is to be asked in the question through trigonometric ratio. Any of the trigonometric ratio we can apply easily. So in this case, we can apply sine because only perpendicular and hypotenuse are being discussed. So you need to check through that specific sentence. That is, some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. So now we can look into the next question, that how to find unknown angle through trigonometric ratio. So this is a question. In this question, it is being asked that calculate angle BAC. Where is angle BAC? Angle BAC means it starts from vertex B and goes on till A and C. So this means that it will be this angle vertex A. Okay, this angle we need to calculate. So how we can find? So now look at the figure. First of all, recognize perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse. So the side opposite to the right angle is to be taken as hypotenuse. So the side opposite to the given angle is to be taken as perpendicular, but we don't know perpendicular and it is not being asked to calculate it. But the next thing is the base, the side that is adjacent to the given angle and the right angle, this is base. So only base and hypotenuse are being discussed. These two are given in this question. So we need to apply which ratio? Some people have curly brown hair. So this means that cos is having base and hypotenuse. So we can apply cosine of angle BAC, and it must be equals to base over hypotenuse. So angle BAC. So how to bring that trigonometric ratio onto the right hand side? How we can bring this ratio onto the right hand side? By taking simply inverse of that trigonometric ratio. So there is, I can say, some rule hidden behind it. I will let you know after finishing this question. So angle BAC will be equals to cosine and inverse of this ratio B over H. So put the values of B and H. So angle BAC will be equals to cosine inverse, and what is B? Base is 0.9 and divided by 3.5. So how to put these values in the calculator? Now look at the calculator section. First of all, press shift and press cos. It will be cos inverse. Now put the ratio sign and now put 0.9 divided by 3.5, and you have to close the big bracket. So it is being closed. Now press equal to sign. This is the angle which we have to find. So it is 75.0, and if we're rounding off till here, the next digit is 9, it is greater than 5, so it becomes 75.01. So angle BAC is equals to 75.01 degrees. So it must be in degrees. Your calculator must be in degrees so that you will be having the correct answer. So now I'm going to let you know how it becomes inverse, how it is not divided onto the side. There is one simple rule, that is basically we need to make angle BAC the subject. So angle BAC is to be written together with any of the trigonometric ratio. So angle must be written with any trigonometric ratio. So how to deal with it? We need to take inverse on both sides. So it becomes cosine inverse, cosine angle BAC equals to cosine inverse of B by H. So the opposite thing of inverse of any trigonometric ratio is that trigonometric ratio. So through it, we can cut these two when we can write down together. So these two can be cut. So angle BAC have been made as the subject like this. So we can skip this process, the step which we have done earlier. We can just do this step and go ahead in our questions. No issues to deal in the previous concepts. So this is all from this video. In next videos, I will be solving few of the questions related to grade 7 trigonometry, and as well as I will deal with the few questions that are related to O-level mathematics trigonometry and as well as IGCSE trigonometry. So keep following me and write down your feedbacks in the comments. I'm desperately waiting for your feedbacks. So take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.